The day I came back, I was too hungry. I said, now this porridge yam, why I go cook am. Very delicious. Guys, it is sweet, it is taste well well. Porridge yam, it come sweet oh, no be small. Wow. See how they shake am. You know, see when you cook, no touch am, make no scatter. Just shake am, shake am, shake am, shake am. Na so mama dey cook, dey pot dem, dey shake am. You understand? Na so it come be. I did the cookie bowl. Hey, when I put pepper, put my pork meat, I was just putting all the putable, put salt, put pepper, and then I go to continue putting everything dey there. Now inside now, guys, everything better porridge, hot porridge yam. Yes, it's not easy. Yeah, now they put oil. All they putable red oil, cholesterol. Na Cameroon oil. Mamma mia, it is red. And so the yam they mean na toko. Hot porridge yam. When was the last time you really take time? I go okay, dry fish don't enter. Njangsa don't enter. Hey, smoked fish enter. Njangsa enter. Baba. That's dry fish. Now we'll be putting later. I'll put otazi. Put otazi leaf. I will put bitter leaf. All the leaves in and the leafable. Hey, that's the boy. Toko. Better porridge. Hot porridge. That's the pot the boy. Toko. Yes, guys. See how they put Maggi now to taste. Keep Maggi. The secret in cooking. Keep Maggi. Yes, better thing na sweetness. Now be small thing. Better thing na sweetness. Yes, yes, now they put otazi. Now otazi be that I say we call am now otazi. No be small. It's in the boy. Toko. Yes, now so they think on the boil, put otazi. You know, so otazi get some small kind thing they like bitter. We will chop am, and a medicinal. So my people, as I dey talk, so the yam, porridge yam. Yam dey sweet oh. You know why they chew yam, only they swallow am. Try porridge am one day. You go get the taste. You go chop am. You go say, you want a bitter leaf ahead. All the mighty bitter leaf. The almighty bitter leaf is entering now. So the pot is coming. Guys, today I'll be going to the wine Paris show. This is the 3rd day of the wine Paris show, guys. Have relation. Good relation are good money. If you build a good relation, you have money. Guys, don't be reluctant. So I go to add some more oil again. I don't add some more oil because the oil no be so that I'm going to enter for the yam now. Yes, so we enter for the yam. Yes, so see, I dey turn am now small. I dey pate the yam. I dey do pating of the yammies. I dey pate am. I don't add water. Make e get soup. I go mix am now. Yes, I don't add water. Now I dey taste am. I dey taste too. Better make a taste. Thank you for watching. Share the video. You will never know how to cook yam, porridge yam. Learn from this. They say we learn every day. Thank you.